Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Fashion and Hairstyles Updates, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in trendy fashions. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So ladies, in this video for today, I have the perfect and best collections of white acrylic nail art designs. So in case you are making a plan for your forthcoming wedding or all-white party, watch this video in order for you to choose the best light to make on your nails. As you can see, these nails look so good and perfect, and apart from your partying event, you can also rock these nails to every other event as you so wish. So watch to the end and pick your best light. And as you watch, kindly support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. At the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think about my video or my channel in general. And if there's any other kind of video you would like to see me make in this channel, please put it down in the comment section and I promise to make it for you. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Thank you guys so much. Your efforts in this channel is never taken for granted. So ladies, in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, and you can also make your choices from there. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.